Hey there, I'm Waylon. I'm a tech here at PBX Truck Service. So you've had a one-wheel brake lockup. I'm going to show you how to cage the brakes so you can get to the nearest repair shop. When you lose air at a single brake pot, you can cage the park brake spring to release it temporarily to get you to the nearest repair shop. Here are the tools I use today, but each truck may vary. Alright, first thing we have to do is take off the dust cover. Then we're going to insert the caging bolt that we already took off, making sure to lock it in with a quarter turn. Thread the nut all the way as far as you can by hand, then tighten it with the wrench. Now we're going to remove the hoses and plug the lines. Make sure to tighten the plugs. Lastly, we're going to secure the hoses so they don't hang on the road. Thanks for watching, guys.